Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can lower the playback resolution in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have this video open over here. I edited it a bit in the timeline, and as you can see, it is relatively smooth, but let's say I wanted to lower the playback resolution and get even smoother footage from this playback. What you want to do in that case, it's very easy, very simple. You just want to go over to this sort of taskbar right at the top and click on playback. Under playback, you want to go into timeline proxy resolution, and over here just hover over it and you'll get these three options. Now of course you have full, which is 100% resolution, half, which is 50% resolution, and a quarter, which is of course 25% resolution. And if I click either one of them, as you can see, the resolution here is changing. Now it is at its blurriest since it is only at 25. Here it is a bit sharper, and now it is fully sharp as it should be. So if I just play it back, as you can see, even during playback, if I change the proxy resolution, it'll be lowered and it will look different, and this will speed up your playback if you are having trouble, if you're dealing with a high resolution video and you want it to go forward a bit more. All you need to do is just lower that and you should be good to go, and it'll speed up your playback. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.